Hello everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. We are going to talk about how I am going to pack and organize before we move. So the very first thing I'm going to deal with is, if you remember, I talked to you about organizing all of my layouts and putting them into the boxes organized by year. So I had 2018, 2019, 2020. I think I had one for 2017, and then I had another one for 2013 to 2016. Well, I got everything organized, and I actually am going to be able, I think, to condense them almost into 2 boxes. So that's going to be my first goal, is to get that all organized and then get them put somewhere safe and clear that part off, and then hopefully I can start and work with my kits. So that is going to be my first go around, is to move them. I'll show you. That is my 2019 stack. So I'm going to grab some piece of cardboard or something to put on it so it breaks it up, so I know where 2019 stops and the rest go on. I do have like my 30 days of sketches still in the container, so I'm going to leave those in the container until we move, and then I'll put them into the system. And hopefully when we move, I'll just simply just get the albums and page protectors I need and go from there. So that is going to be step 1. I'll let you kind of get a glimpse in my room here. I have a whole bunch of boxes and some albums up there as well. You should be seeing, I didn't realize that I hadn't shared 2017 what I had done yet. So I'm doing those now. Those are what is up there. However, filing away 2017, I think this all in here is actually 2017 layout. So I actually have a lot of 2017 I needed to add. So we'll see here. Maybe one day I'll do once I get everything organized, I'll do a second layout share with all the missing layouts. Who knows? I like doing layout or album shares. They're my favorite. But yeah, so that is going to be goal 1. Let me get to that. Okay. That took me no time at all. It was super quick. Got rid of all the boxes on there and a couple boxes in there. I have lined them up into my, just right outside my room. So I've got 2018 layouts and 2 totes full of layouts that need to be fixed. Most of them just need to be glued, to be honest with you. Older layouts and redo layouts, 2013 to 2020 minus 2018 layouts, and some Project Life pocket or page protectors. So I got those. So 3 full boxes ready to go. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 empty boxes to use for packing. Now I'm going to walk back in here. Hopefully I'm not making anyone dizzy. And I am going to start with my scary boxes. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 scary boxes. So, but what I'm going to start with first is I grabbed these. And let's see if I can walk you up to here and slide you onto my camera thing. Whoop. Hopefully you're there. All right, so they are stamps. You guys, I am not a stamper. I don't think about them. I don't even have good stamping stuff. I don't do them. So I am going to go through these and see if there's anything that I seriously, realistically am actually going to keep. And if they are, I will. And if not, they're going away. Like, there's no way. So and when I say going away, I just mean they'll go into my giveaway selection there if they're worth keeping. Yeah. Like, what do you do? Yeah, I don't know. I've got a lot of them now. Look at that. That's how people are probably cringing. That is how I store stamps. Moira, if I sent you a bunch of stamps, would you use them? I don't know. Guys. This is of some people skating. This one says soup, stews, and sauces. I think I had originally planned on doing a recipe thing, and I never did that. And I used to do a few stamping up things, and I think that's what a lot of these are stamping up. This one says happy birthday. One says beautiful. That one's a deer. Documented, that's a good one. I'll use that one. So yeah, I'm gonna go through these and see if any of them are worth for me to keep, and if not, I'm just gonna put them into my giveaway that is growing very quickly. So let's get to that. All right, I'm keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of the stamps. Everything else is going away. 2 of them are Christmas themed. I have a Yum scale, a handmade, and then a couple ones I think will work for Project Life and my COVID-19 album that I want to work with. So keeping those are being donated. I'm going to start a donate thing actually. So that was my first thing, and then I'm just going to keep going through that, and I'll share with you what I accomplished. Good morning, everyone. So I just finished recording my layout shares for April with my 30 days of sketches. So I am packing a box, and what I've done is at the very bottom I have one of those iris containers that hold all the layouts down at the bottom, and then I have all my traveler's notebooks. I think you should be able to see them down there. All my traveler's notebooks down there, and then anything that has to do with traveler's notebooks and Project Life I'm putting in this box, and that clears out my bottom shelf down here and this middle shelf. And then the next thing I'm going to attack is my December dailies and my Christmas stuff. I'm going to put my Christmas stuff away, create the one layout I need to create for this month, and put my Christmas stuff away. So that is my plan for today. And so basically the goal is to basically deal with this shelf and figure out where everything needs to go, what I need to keep out for the rest of the month, and what needs to go away. That is my plan. And I've got a couple things down there that can go, and I'm just slowly working through it. So I've kind of forgotten to film in a little bit. So here's what's happening. I have my box for my paper. So I have 6x6 in there already, and then a couple kits and some Creative Cuts Club bags in there already. And then I've got, this is just kind of my random box of stuff. There's December dailies at the bottom, and then some punches and stuff like that. Random stuff that can all go in one spot. But what I'm working on today is going through I have these 3 drawers that were jam-packed full of just stuff. And so I've been going through this pile, and it's been mostly scraps, so I've been putting all my scraps in that bag. This is my donate pile, and this is the pile I haven't gone through completely yet. But it is making me realize I'm going to have to start a new series about scraps coming up when I move. So I've got, there's that one that just has some projects I need to finish before I go. I cleared out this one. I just cleared that one out, and then I just have to do this one still. Yeah, so that is what I've been working on today. I've got 2.5 weeks before I move. I think like 13, not even 2 weeks. I've got 13 days. So definitely working through it. I'm trying to scrap at the same time, and of course be with my kids and everything. So here's a look at my room. Sorry if I'm going too fast, guys. And there's what's left in my closet that I need to work through. So I've got about 5 boxes packed. Yeah, so I'm gonna post this because I totally forgot that I was doing this, and I will come back later to show you the rest of my moving and how everything's been working. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Bye.